What's up, folks? Welcome back to not the garage, to my yard. I just arrived from my parents' house from Easter holiday with the boys. We had a trailer with us. It's full of fireplace wood for my fireplace, and there's the Kymco 50cc under that cover, but there is also two boxes of mystery parts of Volvo. Actually, I don't even know myself what's inside the boxes. And after the intro, I will tell you more why I didn't discover those parts before, because I thought that I brought already all my parts from my parents' house to my house, but I was wrong. But after the intro, I will tell you why and what parts I discovered. Yes, the reason I didn't found these last time when I bought almost all the parts from my parents' house was the boxes, because there is the original strip or band going around the boxes. These are actually for sauna. There's the fireplace kiuas, we call in Finnish, and these are original. There has been stones for the fireplace, for the sauna. So I thought these are my father's sauna stones. So I didn't bring them with me because there was also some dust on the boxes. But so I really don't know what's inside because I can't remember. It's more over 20 years, I think these parts have been in those boxes, but there might be a small hint. B18, and I think it's engine parts, I think, and also in this box, B18 engine parts, I think, but I will put the camera on stand and you will know soon. Not any big surprises, no treasures. I 20 years I documented right what's inside the boxes. We have the clutch, there's the distributor. I noticed this coolant, or is this going to the heater? This is slightly different from B20 engine. In B20 engine this is straight and this is bent. Oil pump, water pump, not even stuck, and fuel pump. I don't know if this is working, but I think I will save that. And the cover, and there's the gear. This is also the light one, not the steel one. And I think this is coming to and the king bolt is coming through that, and this is coming to the crankshaft. And the crankshaft, I don't know, actually I don't know what those are called in English, but these are holding the crankshaft. And risers and the push rods. I don't actually know if the push rods are same length than in B20 engine. There is some, this is not a fresh one, but not a disaster. Risers. No big surprises there or there. They might be even in good condition. Pistons, I noticed these are quite dark from this side. I actually don't know what has caused this. Maybe stuck piston rings, maybe. Please give me comments down below. It would be nice to know, because I think they all are looking same. Actually this is, well, yeah, this is dark also. But that's all. I have a lot of parts, and I think I might have I might have to sell some of these parts, but I don't know if these are worth to anybody. But I have to figure that out, because I have so much old parts which I don't need, and if somebody would need those, that would be great. Now I just have to find a good place for those parts. Maybe I should put them in one box, so then I would know that these are from B18 engine. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Comments down below, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that. And also ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.